In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Zoom on Windows 10. Keeping your Zoom application up to date is crucial for accessing the latest features and maintaining security. Let's walk through the steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to launch the Zoom desktop application on your Windows 10 computer. You can easily find the Zoom icon either on your desktop or by searching for it in the Start menu. Once you've opened Zoom, the next step is to log into your Zoom account. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to gain access. It's important to ensure you're logged in to access all the necessary features for updating. Now once you're logged in and on the main screen, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Zoom window. There you'll either see your profile picture or your initials displayed. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains various options, but today we're focusing on keeping our Zoom app current. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Check for Updates. This will prompt Zoom to check if there's a newer version available for you to install. If a new version is available, Zoom will display a message letting you know. It's a good habit to regularly check for updates, as using the latest version ensures you're benefiting from improved security measures and newly released features. In case there is an update available, you'll need to follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. The Zoom app will guide you through this process, making it as straightforward as possible. This might involve a few clicks, but rest assured the instructions will be clear and concise. Once the update is installed, you can restart Zoom to make sure all the new features and fixes are applied. And that's it! You've successfully updated your Zoom application on Windows 10, ensuring a smooth and secure Zoom experience. Regular updates are essential to keep your app running efficiently, so consider making this a routine part of your app maintenance. Thanks for watching, and happy Zooming!